Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I bought this GoPro HD Hero 2 about a month ago, and this was recently fully charged, and I want to show you something wrong with it. Okay, I want to show you the problem with it. See, it's I'm gonna turn it on, and it works just fine, right? I'm not sure if you can see this. Okay, you can see it. It's working, and I push this button to record. Yep, it's recording. Very nice. Turn it off, and hold this to turn it off. Yep, it's off. As you can see, it's off. Alright, and I'm gonna turn it back on. Doesn't work. See that? But this GoPro is, was recently charged, fully charged. As you can see earlier, the power was, the battery meter was full. But now I cannot turn it on for some reason. Okay, if you guys can help me, to identify the problem, what's going on with my GoPro. I just bought this about a month ago, and I would really appreciate it if someone can give me answers on how to fix this. Could it be the battery or something else? I'm not really sure. I think it's the battery, because I don't know, I just suspect it's the battery, because it records fine and everything, but I just fully charged the battery and it works just once. Oh, okay. I think if I open the battery, take off the battery and put it back on, I might be able to turn it on again. Okay, where am I gonna put this video? The camera. I think I have to put it here first. Okay. Let me take off the battery. It's a little bit difficult. Okay. And I'm gonna put it back on, and yep, let's see if this thing works. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in its casing. Ooh, a little bit hard. Okay. As you can hear, as you can see, it's off. I'm gonna push this button to turn it on. Ooh, it works. It works, and as you can see, the battery meter is full. And I'm gonna push this button, or maybe I'll just turn it off and then turn it back on. Usually it doesn't start. I'm not really sure what's going on. Is it the battery or is it the camera? I'm not really sure. Anyway, I'm turning it off by pushing this button. Yep, it's off. And now I'm gonna turn it back on. See that? Normally you just push it once, you don't need to hold it for a couple of seconds, and it turns on. But see, whether I push it just once like that, it doesn't turn on, or I hold it for a couple of seconds, Still doesn't turn on. Okay, something wrong with my GoPro Hero 2, and would really appreciate it if someone can help me with this. Still under warranty, but I wanna see if I can work around with it before I send it back. If it's a minor problem, I could probably just, fix it. Anyway, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.